Welcome to this explainer on navigating Facebook's 2026 ecosystem. Today, we're completely transforming how you view this platform. We're taking it from a simple social network where you just, check in on family and turning it into your ultimate professional growth engine. Whether you're an individual creator or a growing business, the rules of the game have totally changed, and having a modern roadmap is absolutely essential. So, with over 3 billion monthly active users, you really have to ask yourself, is Facebook just for friends, or is it a professional engine? Well, the reality in 2026 is that Facebook serves a powerful dual role. Yes, it's a social network, but more importantly for us, it is an incredibly sophisticated AI-driven marketing and monetization machine. If you're only using it to passively scroll, you're literally leaving a massive opportunity on the table.
Today, we're taking a 5-step evolutionary journey. We'll start with the 2026 landscape, move through profiles and pages, dive into winning content frameworks, unlock monetization, and finally, master meta ads.
Okay, let's jump right into step 1, the 2026 Facebook landscape. The biggest paradigm shift you need to grasp right away is that the post and pray era, it's completely dead. You can't just throw up a random text update and hope your followers see it anymore. Today's feed actively rewards strategic content, pushing it to people who don't even follow you yet. And why does this matter? Because with 3.065 billion active monthly users, both your potential audience and your competition are absolutely massive. To cut through the noise of 3 billion people, you need intentional strategy. That brings us to step 2, profiles, pages, and groups. This is all about building your foundational features. Before you create a single piece of content, you need a rock-solid foundation. As a beginner, you'll naturally start with a personal profile. You'll definitely want to tweak your privacy settings to control who sees your everyday personal posts. But here is the critical pivot. If you ever plan to monetize your brand, you absolutely must turn on professional mode. This one little toggle flips your standard profile into a creator account, unlocking an entire dashboard of analytics and monetization pathways. It's a real game changer. Now, when you're ready to expand beyond that personal profile, you've got a crucial choice to make between pages and groups. Think of it this way. Pages are your public storefront. They're built for broad reach, running ads and broadcasting your brand to the world. Groups, on the other hand, are like your closed, intimate VIP lounges. They're designed for deep community engagement, peer support, and really nurturing your most loyal fans. So, if someone discovers you through a reel and taps on your page, and they have zero context about who you are, they're clicking away instantly. You need to treat your business page exactly like a high-converting website landing page. Make sure your profile photo is readable even when it's tiny on a phone screen. Your cover image needs to state exactly what you do in one clean line. Your bio should have a single, obvious call to action, like book now or shop here. And always have a pinned post at the top so new visitors immediately understand your value. Moving right along to step 3, winning content in 2026. Let's talk strategy.
Your foundation is set, but how do you actually create content the algorithm wants to push? First off, stop scrambling for new ideas every single day. Instead, use this exact weekly cadence. 3, 2, 1. You want 3 reels a week. These are your discovery engines to pull in new eyeballs. You want 2 carousel posts to build trust and educate those followers. And finally, you want 1 link post per week to actually drive action, like traffic or sales. 3, 2, 1. It is a simple, repeatable system that just works. And because Reels drive the lion's share of your reach, you have got to nail their structure. Step 1, you have to grab attention in the literal first second with a strong hook. State the problem or the promise immediately. Step 2, show immediate proof, like a quick before and after. Step 3, hit them with 2 to 5 actionable steps, absolutely no fluff here. And step 4, always end with a clear call to action, telling them exactly what to do next, like save this post for later.
As for when you should actually hit publish, well, the data shows that posting during prime weekday windows is your best bet. We're talking Tuesday through Thursday, either in the morning between 8 a.m. and noon or early evening from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Securing that early engagement is absolutely crucial because it signals to the algorithm that your content is a winner and worth pushing out even further. All right, step 4, unlocking Facebook monetization. Let's talk about turning that attention into actual revenue. Before you can earn a single dime on the platform, you have to play by Meta's strict baseline rules. As we mentioned, you must have professional mode or a business page active. But the biggest hurdle for most, you need absolutely 100% original content. Seriously, if you're uploading videos with TikTok watermarks or relying on copyrighted music, The algorithm will catch it and restrict your monetization eligibility in a heartbeat.
So, to unlock those highly lucrative in-stream video ads, where you literally get paid for ads playing during your videos, your first major finish line is hitting 5,000 followers. Depending on where you live, that might bump up to 10,000, but 5,000 is that first huge benchmark for proving you've built a dedicated audience.
But wait, followers aren't the whole story. You also have to rack up exactly 60,000 total watch minutes across your eligible videos within a rolling 60-day window. And this is exactly why that real hook structure we just went over is so critical. You need people to actually stop scrolling and watch your content all the way to the end if you want to hit those minutes. Now, if 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes feels like climbing a mountain right now, don't sweat it. You can start getting Facebook stars, which is a really cool virtual tipping feature directly from your fans with just 500 followers. You just have to maintain that count for 30 consecutive days. It is a fantastic, achievable early milestone that proves your community really values what you're doing. And finally, we arrive at step 5, mastering Meta Ads Manager. This is how you supercharge your organic growth. Once you've got your organic content and monetization dialed in, you can add fuel to the fire. And the best part? You no longer have to sit there tearing your hair out trying to guess who wants your product by picking dozens of hyper-specific interests. Meta Advantage Plus is an incredibly powerful AI tool that analyzes millions of real-time signals to automatically find the perfect audience for your ad. It literally does the heavy lifting for you. Actually launching a campaign in the Ads Manager boils down to 4 very logical steps. First, choose your objective. Are you looking for brand awareness, website traffic, or direct sales? Second, set your audience. Again, letting that Advantage Plus AI do its thing. Third, define your budget, choosing either a daily cap or a lifetime limit. And fourth, select your placement, deciding whether your ad should show up in the feed, in Reels, or across on Instagram. When you're planning that budget, it helps to know that the average cost per click varies a lot by industry. For instance, arts and entertainment sits around 49 cents a click, while real estate pushes closer to $1. But the real beauty of Meta Ads is the complete financial control you have. You can run highly effective test campaigns for literally $5 a day just to see what messaging hits home before you scale up. The true professional power of Ads Manager, though, isn't just running the ads. It's tracking the performance in real time. By installing a piece of code called a metapixel on your website, you can track exactly who clicks your ad and then buys something. Combine that with tracking 3-second views on your video ads and monitoring shares and saves, and you create an incredible feedback loop. You're constantly tweaking your strategy based on hard data rather than just guessing.
So, you now possess the complete blueprint, from basic profile setup to advanced AI marketing. The tools are more powerful and automated than ever before, and the algorithm is practically begging for your content. The only question left is, are you going to keep endlessly scrolling and watching everyone else succeed, or are you going to leverage this 2026 ecosystem to build an empire of your own? The choice is entirely up to you.